Okay, so this time let's model the thumb. So to model the thumb, let us select this. Let's turn on the multi-cut tool, hold Control and Shift, and let's make a cut just like under here near the thumb. And then let's turn off the multi-cut tool and start rearranging the vertices that we have created, just mainly to follow near the thumb's form as such. This will also help in the bending of the palm when it comes to animation or when it comes to the rigging. Here, so there it is. Careful. That is the thumb. The thumb now is going to come out here using the face or face selection. It will come out from this side and also from this side. So this is how the thumb is going to be extruded. I will now go to extrude. I can now drag it along an axis. Let's say here. So that's going to be the thumb's direction of extrusion. And then I will switch to Q. And there it is. The polygons for the thumb has been extruded. I will press R and rescale it so that I can see it properly. And then from here, I can now do a shift right click, and I'll do a circularize component. So now it starts to round, pressing Q and pressing E to rotate the thumb accordingly. And then I will start to once more scale it and start moving it as per the reference that I have. I can now use the tools preset here. In the tool settings, I can switch it to component, and then I can set it aside. Now I can pull it to a certain direction to at least follow the model. I can also switch the rotate tool into the orientation of the component so that it follows the reference as I move. Such. Pressing W for move tool, holding shift, and I can now drag to extrude it onto that direction. Pressing R to scale it to resize. W or E, rotate a little bit. Push. And here. And then shift, click drag. Oops. R and scale. Now I will bring back the tools. As you can see here, I need to bring back the tools to its proper orientation, such as world orientation. Same with the rotate tool, world orientation. So now I can reposition the hand polygons. I'll close this tool settings, to panels, orthographic, and this time I'll choose the front view, and there. So now from here I can double click or select the face polygon, start selecting polygons that are going to be moved and aligned onto the reference, pressing E, rotate properly, W, there. Switch to edge selection. I'll double click this edge loop, Start dragging here, pressing E, and carefully aligning the topology there. There. Pressing R, rescaling to properly fit the reference. Face. You can select that tip and scale it from the panels. Orthographic, going at the back. So carefully now, I will just refit E, W, there. Switching to the edge selection and carefully dragging and fitting to the reference. Going to panels orthographic this time at the left side. There. Now it fits the reference carefully. With that done, I have extruded the thumb. If I will press number 3, I will see the hand base is almost done. Pressing 1. Now it's time to make the tip a little bit pointed. Switching to vertex selection. Edge slide. Dragging it upwards. There it is. And there. Turning it off. And there it is. The thumb is done. I'll see you in the next lesson.